Aloha to all of you. This is Seashell Surf. Grab your board and let's go on an adventure. See more of Hawaii by subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell for all notifications. Smash that like button and share the aloha of the videos with friends and family. And as we take a shoreline cruise, we're down at the Poipu Beach Park on a sunny day today, and the plumerias are just bursting with fragrance. And here we have the local native ko trees with the orange flowers. And it's a beautiful day for families and friends to come out and celebrate. We're down on the south side at Baby Beach at Brennicke's, or also known as Brennicke's Beach. And you can see there's some nice blue skies and white puffy clouds and some beautiful glassy waves. And we have a surprise visitor coming up here on the rocky shoreline. It's one of our favorite local residents. Everyone, please give a nice round of applause to one of our Hawaiian monk seals. The Hawaiian monk seals are federally protected and they are also endangered. And these little guys are tired because they swim around looking for food and avoiding 10 to 12 foot tiger sharks. We don't have very many, if at all, great white sharks here in the Hawaiian Islands, even though they have been known to be here. But the niuhi, or the tiger shark, seems to be the main predator for our honu, which are the seals, and our ilio awakai, or the ilio holokai, which is a Hawaiian monk seal. Nevertheless, both the honu and the ilio holokai are federally protected. And as you can see today, there's always going to be a strong current or a riptide. However, the turtles go out and get their dinner before it's time to retire and go up to the beach for resting at night. They are prey. Niuhi, or the tiger shark, many times you'll see a honu, or a turtle without a fin, and that's normally because a shark has bitten it off. So we're going to say a hui ho to this monk seal here as we travel on. This is one of my favorite houses. I like the lanai. And then we got a house up here with loads of Spanish moss that we used to make lei out of. The Spanish moss is referred to as umi dole, which means Dole's beard, from Sanford B. Dole, who was the first president of the Republic of Hawaii after the overthrow of the kingdom. But he had a long gray beard, and that's why they call this Spanish moss umi dole. And everyone is lining up for the honu watch. All right, look at beautiful Hau'upu Mountain. This is the Kane'i'olo Uma Heiau once again. And here is the kahua, or the platform for the tiki, or as we say in Hawaiian, na ki'i. Ki'i is the word for tikis and pictures. Let's head back into old Kōloa town to Sueoka'S, a store that's over 100 years old that specializes in local treats. And let's see what the alien ship looks like today. Oh no! The mothership has gone! They left without me! And we're going into Sueoka'S. Let's take a look at some local treats. And here we have the ever so famous Mauna Loa and Hawaiian Host macadamia nuts. Yeah. If you grow the trees, they're really hard to crack open the shell. I wanted to talk about these. I think they're Filipino. It's the White Rabbit candy. 7-Eleven did a special Slurpee last year on 7-Eleven, July 11th, when they give away the free stuff. And here's our crack seed and lihing mui section again. Here's the lihing mui powder. Goes good on mango, dried mango slices. And here's my cherry. I like the lihing mui cherry, and I like the cherry plain too. All right. Oh, but my favorite, I came in here to show you guys. Tamarind seed. It's sweet, wrapped in a little bit of salt. Oh, it's ono, broke the mouth, as we say in Hawaii. All right, tamarind. Now these are like little cheese puffs, only they taste like sweet creamed corn. They're the greatest. And people here like a variety of different types of chips and whatnot. So again, some local favorites from our favorite Sueoka'S in downtown, old town Kōloa. And this is KOLOA rum. Do not attempt to drink this alone. You'll never make it home. Made right here in Kōloa, because this was the very first sugar town. 1835 it was established. Okay, now you've heard me talk about those kukui nut trees, the candle nut tree. These are shined up, painted, you know, old style, reinvented. All right. These are more original looking. And we're down in the back alleys on Welly Street here in old Kōloa town. And this is our newest. Oh, okay, there's the big sign for the Hawaii ATV tours and Kōloa ziplining. Oh, bass fishing. We have a reservoir. It's down the Tree Tunnel Road. Old Kōloa town is being built up, so come on down before it's too built up so you can still see old Hawaii. Seashell Surf is filmed entirely on location in the Hawaiian Islands. And one last look out over Keoneloa Bay as the waves have been picking up and giving a splash-tacular show. This is Seashell Surf. Mahalo to all of you. Until we meet again, a hui ho and aloha.